If you are a seasoned Python developer, managing the packages using PIP will be part of your muscle memory. But that is not the case for a developer like me who are coming from .NET technologies. It gets little tricky when there are multiple Python versions installed in the machine. Here we are seeing a small script I am using for closing my ADO work items. In order to connect to Azure DevOps, I am using the packages Azure and other related packages. It was all working fine when I had 3.11 installed. Recently I moved to 3.12. After installing 3.12, it stopped working. This is the error I am getting when I run the same script using 3.12 version of Python. Since I have Python 11 also installed, I can easily switch to Python 11 and make it working. As you are seeing, there is no issue when I run using Python 3.11. So now the question is, how do I manage packages, different Python versions installed in my machine? The default pip list command is listing the packages that are in the 3.12 version. So in order to manage packages separately, we have to use a different command, not the pip 3.11 list. So this will be listing the packages that are installed into 3.11 version of Python. As we can see, there is Azure Core, Azure DevOps, all the packages are available. But when I use pip 3.12 and the list command, then we can see only one package is installed. So now I need to install Azure Core and Azure DevOps into Python 3.12. pip 3.12 install the package name. It will take some time as usual and it will be installing the dependent packages as well. There is one error it is showing. Let us see what package got installed into Python 3.12. The Azure DevOps packages are not installed. Trying again. Second time when I tried, it succeeded. Let us see what got installed. Yeah, this time Azure Core and Azure DevOps got installed into Python 3.12. So now if I change the runtime version to Python 3.12 and run the script, it should work. Here you can see the version is 3.12. Yeah, one more module is missing, .env. Now we have to install the .env. The command is python-.env. This package is very good for dealing with the environmental variables. First time it didn't work out. I have to install it again. Then second time it worked. Now let us try to run the script again using Python 3.12 version. Yeah, this time it worked fine. The result 0 means there are no overdue work items to be closed. So in short, if you want to deal with the packages of Python 3.11, there will be an pip 3.11 command. If you want to deal with Python 3.12, there is another command pip 3.12. So we have to use different commands to deal with the packages of different Python versions in the same machine. I know it may not be useful for a Python developer, but may be useful for others who are migrating to Python. In case of any questions, please add into the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.